guys, so it is May 1st, no, I'm sorry, May 2nd. We are in a brand new month. We are ready to go. I'm ready to get it started. I'm excited. Ooh, my collar got flipped down. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. I'm elated. Today is actually my birthday. I turned 36 today. Oh my goodness, like I'm over the moon, guys. I'm over the moon. In this new month, we're gonna stick to our routine that we said with our 3 days on the bike, 2 days on the treadmill. I'm still walking Monday through Friday unless something happens that I can't. Like for instance, today I didn't walk. Today's Monday. I didn't walk today because it's my birthday and we had an outing. Me and my husband went out and had brunch. Oh, I had the best brunch ever. But we had something more like an early lunch because we had crab legs and shrimp and clams. It was so good. But anyways, but tomorrow I will be walking, and Wednesday we'll be walking, and Thursday, Friday, we'll be walking. So I just didn't do it today. So we're going to stick to that. That is what we're doing. Other than that, yeah, let's go. Let's get it. This is just a disclaimer I'm doing before you guys see my first week of May workouts. And keep watching. Bye. Hi guys. So this is the first week of May and it's a little short. Let me tell you why. So I think I mentioned previously that I'm walking out in the morning with a friend. So that means that like on this day, May 3rd, I walked. So I came in and I did a 30-minute bar class, BARRE, because I walked that day and my legs was just like, no, girl, we're not getting on that treadmill. And this was our first day doing over a 3-mile walk with an incline in it as well. So I am missing, so May 2nd, Monday, I didn't work out because it was my birthday. And I was just like, no, I don't feel like it. It's my birthday. I want to chillax. And, we celebrated the entire day. And so I didn't work out. And then we're also missing Friday. I did my walk, my 3-mile walk in the morning. But then I babysat that night. So an hour after my daughter got out of school, her friend came over. And she was here till, I think, close to 11 o'clock. So by the time she left, I was beat because we did everything. We went bowling, we made pizzas, we played freeze tag, we played hide and go seek. We was running around the house. I felt like a 5-year-old all over again. I mean, I'm sorry, a 6-year-old and 7-year-old all over again. But yeah, so we did that. So I didn't work out. I didn't do my Peloton workout Friday either. And so the only 2 days I actually got on the Peloton or did something on the Peloton was this day, the 3rd, and the 5th of May, I believe. I did a spin class because my friend's daughter was sick, so we didn't work out that day. We didn't go for a walk that day either. I'm still trying to figure out how to put in my walk and incorporate my bike, because doing 3 miles, then coming and trying to get on that bike, sometimes it's like, ooh, it's a lot. So I'm going to try this week coming up, second week of May video will be better, I promise. But this week kind of just took me out. I was adjusting. So now that I know what it's like to walk 3 miles, and hopefully next week we'll be able to walk out 5 days. Life happens, circumstances happen, kids get sick, doctor's appointments, birthdays, stuff like that. So hopefully this week coming up, we will be able to walk a full 5 days, and I'll kind of get a better gauge as to how I want to do my workout, because I still want to do my 3 days on the bike. I still want to do my 5 days of strength, 3 days on the bike, 2 days on the treadmill. I still want to do that. I just need to see how I can do it without burning my body out, because outside of that, I'm not just like this single girl who's out here. I can't dedicate all of my time to losing weight. I still, for the next 2 weeks, because school is out on the 26th of May. So for the next 2 weeks, I'm still dropping my daughter off to school in the morning, picking her up in the afternoon. She goes to school she has to be dropped off by 8 a.m. And then she gets out at 2:15. So I usually go on our walk at about 8:30 in the morning. We usually get back at like 9:45. Because the parents out here are crazy, I have to get to my daughter's school by like 1:15 and wait outside for an hour, because if I don't, I won't be in the early part of the line. It'll take me up to like 45 minutes to get her. We're not doing that. Be like, she got school at 2:15. I won't get her at 3 o'clock if I don't get there an hour early. So I'm still trying to figure out how to blend all that together, so that I'm not neglecting my workouts, and so that I'm putting my all into my workouts, as well as, still maintaining homework help, cooking dinner, being a wife and being a mom. It is it's difficult. It's hard. Um, I applaud everybody who is like dedicated to exercising, who, no matter how their day goes, no matter what they do, they find their way to exercise, because this week was a struggle trying to make sure that's why I only got on my bike 2 days. Did the Peloton 2 days, because it was a struggle. It was a legit 100% struggle. So, yeah. So if you guys have any tips, if you're a working mom, full-time mom, full-time wife, full-time student, and you exercise every day at the same time every day, and you have a schedule, help your girl out, because I am struggling. Like, no, seriously. But for real, I'm struggling just a little bit. It's not enough hours in the day. That's what it feels like. It's just not enough to accomplish everything that I want to accomplish. Because in a perfect world, I will walk, come in, eat breakfast, get on the bike, take a shower, have some me time, have some coffee, pick my daughter up, come home, do her homework, cook dinner. But it don't always work like that. So it's not a perfect world. I just wanted to let you guys know that. That's why this video is missing a couple of days. Hi guys. Okay, I'm home. I'm actually about to eat breakfast. I just finished look at this. You guys can see. I just finished my walk. It's raining today. I just finished my walk. I did 3.4 miles. I walked for an hour and 20 minutes. So yeah, just finished. I got to figure out how to do this, because I think I am going to get a GoPro, because I've kind of come off. I still get on the bike. Sometimes I'll do a double workout. My feet burn because I didn't have socks on. That was dumb of me. Sometimes I'll do a double workout. And I'll get on the bike, but like I've been doing 3 miles the last couple of days. So my legs kind of are like, and not getting on that bike. So I got to figure out a way to record it so that I can still bring you guys along with me and you're not missing nothing. So I can still have the footage. So yeah, we'll figure it out. But I just finished. Today is Wednesday, March 4th. So yeah. I'll put my workout. Yes, those are my eyelashes. I have a habit of taking them off and putting them on the fridge. I'll put a copy of my workout, of my strength training workout that I do. I'll make sure I put that over on this video so you guys can see what I did. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye.